Let's face it, folks, the world needs more doers. People who aren't afraid to get their hands dirty and keep things running smoothly. That's where mechanical technicians come in. These are the men and women who keep our factories humming, our cars rolling, and our machines operating at peak performance. Without them, our world would grind to a halt. Think about it. Your car, your refrigerator, even the escalator at the mall. None of it works without a skilled technician to build, maintain, and repair it. Mechanical technicians are the unsung heroes of our modern world. They're the problem solvers, the tinkerers, the ones who make sure the gears of industry keep turning. And the best part? It's a career path that's in high demand. So, if you're looking for a job that's both challenging and rewarding, becoming a mechanical technician might be just the ticket. Now you might be thinking, becoming a mechanical technician sounds great, but where do I even begin? Well, the good news is, the path to becoming a skilled technician is pretty straightforward. Most employers are looking for folks with at least a high school diploma or equivalent. But let's be real, in this line of work, hands-on experience is king. That's why a lot of aspiring technicians choose to pursue further education through vocational schools or community colleges. These programs offer specialized training in areas like machinery repair, hydraulics, and pneumatics. And many community colleges have partnerships with local businesses, giving you a chance to get your foot in the door with apprenticeships or internships. These on-the-job training programs are invaluable. You'll be learning from experienced technicians, getting your hands dirty, and building the skills you'll need to succeed in the field. So, what's it actually like to be a mechanical technician? Well, no 2 days are exactly alike, and that's part of what makes this career so exciting. One day you might be troubleshooting a malfunctioning conveyor belt in a factory. The next, you could be installing and calibrating new equipment. You'll be reading blueprints, using precision tools, and relying on your knowledge of mechanical systems to diagnose and solve problems. But it's not all grease and gears. A big part of the job involves communication and teamwork. You'll be interacting with other technicians, supervisors, and sometimes even customers, explaining complex technical issues in a way that's easy to understand. Section 4. The right tools for the job. Essential skills for mechanical technicians. Now, to really excel as a mechanical technician, there are a few key skills you'll need to have in your tool belt. First and foremost, you've got to have a knack for problem solving. This job is all about identifying issues and figuring out the best way to fix them. You'll also need to be comfortable working with your hands and using a variety of tools, from wrenches and screwdrivers to more specialized equipment. Attention to detail is crucial, as even a small mistake can have big consequences. And don't forget about the importance of communication and teamwork. Being able to clearly explain technical concepts to others and work effectively as part of a team is essential in this field. Section 5. The reward of a job well done. Benefits and opportunities. Now, let's talk about the perks. One of the biggest benefits of being a mechanical technician is the job security. Skilled tradespeople are always in demand, and that demand is only going to grow in the years to come. Plus, this line of work offers competitive pay and benefits. And did I mention the satisfaction of knowing that you're playing a vital role in keeping the world running? There's a real sense of pride that comes with fixing something that's broken and seeing it spring back to life. And don't think for a second that this is a dead-end job. With experience and continued learning, you can climb the ladder to become a supervisor, a manager, or even start your own business. Section 6. Building your future. A career path with purpose. At the end of the day, being a mechanical technician is more than just a job. It's a career path that offers stability, challenge, and the chance to make a real difference in the world. If you're someone who likes to work with their hands, solve problems, and see the tangible results of your labor, then this might just be the perfect career path for you. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, get your hands dirty, and start building your future.